Mornings are a rush, wake up, get ready, and somehow, breakfast gets left behind. But what if you could make a delicious, nutritious breakfast in minutes? Our ebook, Breakfast in a Flash, gives you quick and easy recipes that are packed with flavor and perfect for busy mornings. You'll get simple step-by-step guides to make. Breakfast Frittata, a protein-packed start to your day. Breakfast Risotto, a creamy, comforting twist on morning meals. Breakfast Burritos, a grab-and-go option full of flavor. Pita Pockets, a fun, handheld breakfast with fresh ingredients. Perfect oatmeal, customizable and heart-healthy. No more skipping breakfast or eating bland toast, fuel your day the right way. Ready to transform your mornings? Click the link now and grab your copy of Breakfast in a Flash. Start your day with energy and amazing flavors.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share it with friends.